we will do this and it will be done, fine. We'll check it for that. Anyways. Friends, the customer has complained that the water is not heating enough. Looks like the issue is with the thermostat. Raju, what you need to do is open this, check the thermostat, and I think that is the culprit. I think you have understood the issue. You can start the inspection of the geyser.
Yes, sir. I will get my tools.
No problem. Friends, there can be many causes for the geyser not functioning properly. While Raju is getting his tools, let me show you how to inspect the parts of a geyser and fix the problem. Welcome to this session on troubleshooting and repair of a geyser. After completing this session, you will be able to troubleshoot a geyser and repair a geyser. Friends, do you know the tool to success is to take care of your tools? Anyways, let us keep our tools and equipment ready for troubleshooting and fixing. Neon tester, multimeter, screwdriver, some wiring cables, wire stripper, plier, test lamp, switch. Friends, never forget your personal protective equipments like your gloves and your rubber shoes, even while troubleshooting and repairing of equipments. Friends, come join me and Raju on the troubleshooting and repairing of a geyser, but with your gloves and your personal protective equipment. Friends, there could be several causes for the geyser not functioning properly. Let us have a look at the circuit diagram of a geyser and understand how it works.
When the power switch is on, the water inlet also opens up to fill the reservoir, and the input supply from the switch flows to the thermostat. From the thermostat, the current flows to the heating element and heats up the coil, and the water gets heated. The neutral wire connection completes the circuit when the switch is on. The parts which can possibly go wrong in a geyser will be the supply points, the outlet switch, the plug and the cord. And then there is thermostat, which consists of the thermostat unit with a reset knob, and yes, the heating element. Friends, let us now see the procedure to inspect them one by one. And remember the personal protective equipment before you start to work on live wires. Two supply points, one which is on the geyser and the other one which is the plug cord of the geyser. Let us see what can be the causes for no supply. It can either be the outlet switch or the plug cord of the geyser which may be faulty.
Friends, Raju has already checked for no supply faults at the customer's place, and we have found that both the supply points are okay. We have dismounted the geyser and it is ready for a complete checkup. You would like to know how Raju did this. Take a look at it.
Now let us see how Raju inspected the outlet power for supply. Step 1. Switch off the geyser power switch. Step 2. Unplug the geyser from the outlet socket.
Step 3. Using the neon tester, test the phase terminal of the plug outlet.
Take the neon tester and insert it into the phase terminal of plug outlet. Now switch on the geyser plug outlet switch. The neon tester glows, So this means that the plug outlet phase terminal is OK. Step 4. Using a test lamp, check the neutral terminal of the plug outlet. Take the test lamp, insert the neutral end of the test lamp into the neutral terminal of plug outlet. Insert the phase wire of the test lamp into the phase terminal of the plug outlet. Switch on the geyser plug outlet switch. In this case, the test lamp glows, so plug outlet is OK. In case the test lamp bulb does not glow, the plug outlet supply point is defective. To check the fault, you need to open the plug outlet. Open the geyser plug outlet. First, check for any loose wire connections. Fix the loose wires. There could be faulty wires in the plug outlet. Replace the wires if they are faulty. Sometimes the socket switch may be broken or burnt. In case the switch is found faulty, replace the switch. And yes, remember to always follow the safety precautions. Well, there were no faults in the input supply points at the customer's site. So, Raju dismounted the geyser unit. And that is how the geyser has landed in this workshop. Now let us see the procedure to check the input supply points on the plug cord unit. But before that, let me show you some parts of the geyser. Here is the water inlet, and this is for the water outlet. Yes, the hot water comes out of this. And this is the plug cord for the geyser unit. Now let us open this unit. Step 5. Open the geyser unit. Locate the screws fastening the top cover of the geyser unit. Using a screwdriver, unscrew the fastening screws. Carefully slide the cover and open the geyser unit. This is the plug cord terminals or the supply terminals, and here is the thermostat, and this is the heating element. Step 6. Disconnect the plug cord terminals of the geyser unit. There are 3 supply terminals in this plug cord unit. The green for the earthing, red for the phase, and black for the neutral, which runs up to the heating element. Using a plier, disconnect the cord terminals. The green is for earthing, red is the phase terminal. The black neutral terminal is connected to the heating element. Step 7. Using a test lamp, test the cord supply terminals. Connect the test lamp in series to test the cord terminals. To check the cord, you need to check both the phase and neutral wire one by one. First, check the phase terminals of the cord. Place the cut wire connected in series on the phase terminal of the cord and phase terminal of the test lamp on the phase terminal of the plug. The test lamp glows, so the phase terminals are OK. Next, touch the neutral terminal of the test lamp to the neutral terminal of the geyser cord. The test lamp glows, so the neutral terminals are OK. Similarly, check the earthing of the cord. Place the cut wire connected in series on the earthing of the cord. Place the phase terminal of the test lamp on the earthing of the plug and the test lamp glows, so the earthings are also OK, and this confirms that the plug cord is OK. In case in any of the checks, if the test lamp does not glow, then the cord plug is faulty. So replace the cord of the geyser. So friends, let us quickly recap the procedure to inspect supply points quickly. Here, take a look.
Friends, the customer has complained that the water is not heating enough.
The causes could be in the thermostat. Thermostat unit itself may be faulty, or the thermostat setting is incorrect. Let us check the thermostat unit. For this, we need to open the geyser unit, which we have already seen. Step 1. Open the geyser unit. Step 2. Locate the thermostat in the geyser. Step 3. Using a screwdriver, unscrew the screws on the thermostat. Step 4. Carefully remove the wire connections on the thermostat. Step 5. Remove the thermostat unit. Step 6. Check the thermostat setting using a test lamp connected in series. Take the test lamp and connect it in series with the thermostat. Touch the phase terminal of the test lamp on the phase terminal of the thermostat. Connect the neutral end of the test lamp to the neutral terminal of the thermostat. Here, the test lamp glows. This means that the thermostat settings are correct. In case the lamp does not glow, calibrate the thermostat. Move the thermostat switch until the test lamp glows. When the lamp glows, it means that the thermostat switch is set at the right setting. In case the lamp does not glow, the thermostat is faulty, and we need to check the thermostat settings and replace the thermostat unit. Okay, now let us see the procedure to check if the thermostat unit is defective using a multimeter. Step 7. Using a multimeter, check the thermostat. Set the multimeter dial to resistance. Place the red positive probe of the multimeter on the positive terminal of thermostat and place the black negative probe of the multimeter on the negative terminal of thermostat. Check the multimeter readings. If the multimeter shows a reading, then the thermostat is OK. If the reading is 0 or infinite, then the thermostat is defective. In that case, replace the thermostat. And that's not all. We also need to check the thermostat rod for its setting. Let us see the procedure.
Step 8.
Test the thermostat in series with the test lamp. Connect the test lamp in series with the thermostat. Connect the phase terminal of the test lamp with the phase terminal of the thermostat. Connect the neutral end of the test lamp with the neutral terminal of the thermostat.
Step 9.
Light the candle and place the thermostat rod over the candle flame. Allow the rod to heat up and reach the set temperature setting of the thermostat. When the temperature rises, the test lamp glows. And when the test lamp stops glowing, it means the thermostat rod has reached the temperature setting. So the thermostat rod is okay. The geyser cutoff switch does not cut the supply. According to the thermostat settings, the lamp keeps glowing. This means the thermostat rod is defective. In that case, replace the thermostat. And friends, now you know that this was the reason for water not heating. Remember the customer complaint? So the geyser thermostat Raju is checking is faulty. He will replace it with a new thermostat. And here is the chart that sums up the thermostat checking procedure. Take a look at it.
Friends, we have fixed the problem with the geyser. But always remember, if there is anything to do with heating, always check the heating element. And also, it is a good practice to check the equipment for all the related issues before we deliver it to the customer. Let me show you the procedure of inspecting the heating element.
Step 1. Locate the heating element inside the geyser. Step 2. Disconnect the wires to the heating element. Step 3. Using a multimeter, check if the heating element is functioning. Set the multimeter dial to resistance. Place the red positive probe of the multimeter on the phase terminal of heating element. Place the black negative probe of the multimeter on the neutral terminal of the heating element. Now check the reading. If the multimeter shows a reading, the heating element is okay. If the reading is 0 ohms or infinite, the heating element is defective. Step 4. You can also use the test lamp to check the heating element. Connect the test lamp in series with the heating element. If the test lamp glows, the heating element is okay. If the test lamp does not glow, the heating element is defective. Replace the heating element. Friends, that was all about checking the heating element. Let us see how to close the unit. Step 5. Fix the disconnected wires. Step 6. Close the geyser unit. Using a screwdriver, tighten the screws on the geyser cover. So, here is a quick recap of the heating element inspection. Take a look at it.
Raju, the geyser is fixed. I've checked it. Now you can deliver it to the customer. Take it. Take your tools, and once you reach there, mount the geyser, and after mounting it, check the functioning of the geyser.
Yes, sir.
Okay? See you.